tikki, cutlets, patties or burger. They are very versatile in many ways. They can be eaten as a snack with sauce or chutney, or can be served with tea or coffee. How is it, Drew?
Yummy.
Dip into your tomato chutney and hear the crunchiness.
Wow.
So good. They can be served as burger patties and can be used in a very popular Indian street food chaat known as ragda patties. Depending on the recipes, they can be baked, shallow or deep fried, or in modern time can be air fried. And if you are ready to dive into the next level of tikkis or patties, prepare stuffed tikkis with your favorite filling. Welcome to Bhavna's Kitchen. Today I'm so excited to share with you all this very popular recipe of tikki, patties or burger. So let's get started. To prepare the patties, boil or steam the potatoes and keep aside. Looking for an alternative to potatoes, boiled mashed plantain can be used for a healthier option. Here I have plantain. I'm going to cut ends, and here I have taken steaming basket and water inside the pot, and I'm going to make one more cut and steam plantains. Cover the pressure cooker. If you use a pressure cooker, just hear one whistle, and if you cook in an open pot, simmer it for about 4 to 5 minutes or until they are kind of a little tender. Alright, I already heard one whistle. The pressure cooker has cooled down even. And let's check. Perfect. Remove the skin of plantain. And the plantain is ready to use in recipes. Here I have thick poha, flattened rice. Wash and soak a cup of poha with 1/8 cup of water for about 5 minutes or till soften. Into the mixing bowl, take a slice of bread and crumble it. Sprinkle little water to moisten the bread crumbs. Add boiled, shredded or mashed potato. Add soaked poha. Next, add red pepper flakes, sugar, salt, coriander cumin powder, turmeric powder, lemon or lime juice, coriander leaves, ginger, garlic and green chili paste. Then mix everything together until the mixture forms into kind of a dough. Take a wax paper and place the prepared mixture onto the wax paper. Then place another wax paper on top of the mixture. Press with the tray or cutting board to flatten. Remove the top wax paper and using the cookie cutter, shape the patties. I love to use heart shape cutter, but round or oval shape can be used. Tikkis can be rolled into dry bread or cracker crumbs to make them extra crunchy from the outside. From the remaining mixture, I'm going to simply shape in round. Now, as I mentioned earlier that there are a few ways to cook tikkis. If you want to cook tikkis with very less oil, shallow frying them is the best option. To shallow fry tikkis, heat up oil in the non-stick pan on a medium heat and roast tikkis till golden brown on both sides. Shallow fried cutlets are perfect for the recipes like burger, and a very popular street food ragda patties, chaat, and more. Shallow fried cutlets are ready to serve, and now I'm going to share with you all how deep fried cutlets turn out. Check the oil with a very small piece. Okay, it looks ready, and I'm going to add my cutlets one by one here. Carefully add in your oil. And do not fry too many at a time. I'm going to fry till golden brown. You can change the sides when the first side is done. But if you have enough oil, it will fry on both sides at the same time. You can see that it has already started getting brown color. Now this is the color that I want, perfect, nice golden brown color. And you can see that it also puffs up a little bit. It looks like a pillow now. So try to drain out as much oil as you can into the pot. And then I have here the paper towel. And look at these cutlets. And now I'm going to share air fryer option. Preheat an air fryer at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for 3 minutes. Arrange the patties into the air fryer basket. Brush the patties with oil on both sides of the patties. And air fry for about 10 minutes at 400 degrees Fahrenheit. And here we have our air fried cutlets. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Please do like and comment below, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for new recipe videos every week. You can also visit my website bhavnaskitchen.com for new recipe tips, tricks and ideas in the kitchen. You can follow me on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram. Pinterest. Bhavna's Kitchen is everywhere. You can download Bhavna's Kitchen app totally free on your iOS, Android and many other mobile devices. You can watch me on a big TV screen using Roku, Amazon Fire or YouTube app itself. Thank you for watching and see you soon.
Patties, and these tikkis are multi-purpose. You can use this stuffed aloo tikki as an appetizer, starter, in chats, or simply use it as a burger. So there are several ways to enjoy this stuffed aloo tikki. First, I'm going to prepare the stuffing. You can make only mutton stuffing, so it's really up to you. So here I have lined up all the ingredients. Half cup of paneer, half cup of crushed mutton, it's a green peas. I use the chopper to crush it, but you can use even food processor, or you can even keep them whole. It's really up to you. Half cup of onion, coriander leaves, mix of ginger and garlic. You can add as per your taste. Salt to taste. Quarter teaspoon turmeric powder, haldi, red chili powder as per your taste. Teaspoon of cumin seeds. Garam masala to taste. Amchur powder, dry mango powder. Couple of tablespoons of oil. So let's start preparing the stuffing. I'm going to heat up oil. I have the stove on a medium heat. When the oil is hot enough, add cumin seeds, turmeric powder, finely chopped onion. You can use red or white. I'm using the white one. Give it a good stir. mix of a ginger garlic, salt to taste. Let onion cook for a little bit. Onion looks done. So at this time, ready to add green peas, matar. Let green peas cook for a little bit. Cover it and let it cook. Let's look at the onion and the green peas. Looks good. Okay, now add paneer, Indian cottage cheese, one of my favorite cheese. Okay, give it a good stir now. At the same time, I'm going to add amchur powder, dry mango powder. If you don't have, just simply use lime juice or lemon juice. Garam masala, red chili powder to taste, coriander leaves, dhania, and give it a good mix. So stuffing is ready in no time. I'm going to turn off the stove and let this mixture cool down completely. And now here I have some ingredients to prepare aloo potato mixture. So here I have steamed potatoes, and here I have few bread slices. Tear apart roughly these bread slices. Take this boiled potato. They're a little bit hot right now. Now I'm going to add few more ingredients. Cornstarch, you can use corn flour, so it's really up to you. And now few spices, just a pinch of a turmeric powder, salt to taste, cumin powder, red chili powder to taste, and now I'm going to mash. Mix it in such a way that it should look like a dough. So you can see that this is how it looks like, tight dough. So aloo mixture is ready as well. Alright, so here I have the aloo mixture ready, stuffing ready. So I'm going to start making tikkis now. And here I have oil to grease my hands. So I'm going to take a little amount of oil in my hand, apply all over. Take aloo mixture. Now you can choose your own size, how big or small you want to prepare this tikkis. So first make it flat, then take about a tablespoon of a mixture, put it on, and now close from all sides. Do not overstuff, and again make it nice and flat. Perfect. Look at this. So I'm going to finish making all tikkis. Alright, so here I have some aloo tikkis ready and ready to fry. And here I have the oil ready, already hot. And these tikkis are ready to go into the oil. Be careful when you put these tikkis and fry until nice golden brown color. And I don't want to put too many at a time. You see how nice golden brown color? Alright, so these tikkis look so beautiful, nice and golden brown color on both sides. You can see that. So these tikkis are ready to come out. And here I have this kitchen paper towel. Carefully bring onto the side to drain out extra oil and onto the paper towel. So I'm going to fry all aloo tikkis. Alright, so here I am done with all the aloo tikkis. Look at them. They look so beautiful, nice golden brown color. I love it. I can't wait to give it a bite actually. You can serve this aloo tikkis just as it is. You can even serve with ketchup. Kids love with ketchup. But here I have some chutneys. I'm using date and tamarind chutney, and here I have coriander and mint chutney, dhania and pudina chutney, and this is imli chutney. So keep these chutneys on a side and arrange these tikkis on the other side. When I hold them, I can feel it that they are so crunchy. Beautiful. On the side, you can put some onion or lemon slices if you are preparing this plate for the party. Let me show you how inside of these aloo tikkis look like. Look at this. Tempting. And I'm going to give it a bite. just dip into chutney. I hope you can hear the crunch. Outside is crunchy and inside gooey, soft. So this was all about preparing paneer stuffed aloo tikkis. Thank you for watching and I will see you soon with another great episode of cooking.